Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today's video I will show you the most beautiful room decoration, kitchen decoration also. So if you like, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. So let's start. You can see this beautiful decoration, the lamp you can see in the curtains. The roof lights are there looking beautiful, and you can see outside with window, and you can see this one, the tables for small children for studying. They study here, then they can play, looking beautiful. And you can see this, the big ship. It is a big ship yacht inside the full decoration, beautiful decoration it is there. And you can see this one also, the table, and the side you can keep things for decoration, beautiful things for decoration you can keep. And you can see this one also, the TV, and the side you can keep beautiful things for photos, clock or something else you can keep for decoration. White color theme looking beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful, the side window mirror side you can see the lights looking beautiful, white color theme doors. You can see this one also in winter. You can see the beautiful dog, and you can see the guitar. You can see the window outside, and you can see this is also a beautiful room ever I like. You can see the light LED. You can see outside. You can see the where you can wash there. You can see the side lights. It's beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror and the mirror side lights. This is for guys for makeup. And you can see this one also very beautiful, the lamps. This is the bathroom. It is also looking beautiful and attractive. You can see looking expensive. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can keep your shampoo, towel, anything you can keep. And you can see the bathroom, and it is full white color. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can close mirror and open mirror for taking things. And you can see this one also very beautiful. And you can see this one also maybe inside the big house or inside a yacht. And you can see this one also the mirror. You can see the mirror and the lamp and the plants. And you can see this one the VIP room, because it is too much big and decoration is nice. And you can see this one also the two up lamps looking beautiful. And you can see this one also the table for they can study, children can study. So if you guys like, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.